Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to clear video search history on Prime Video. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to clear video search history on Prime Video. Maybe because you have searched something and now you're worried if someone else sees it because you might be sharing your account with someone else, or maybe somebody uses your mobile, so you're worried if they see it because you think it is the matter of concern or privacy for you and you want to save this thing. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first what you have to do is that you have to make sure that you have already installed the app Prime Video, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. So after that, you just have to simply click on the icon of the Prime Video to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of movies and series on the home page, as you can see. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom and some options at the top. So here we have this option, find. So if you want to search something, you go here like this, you click on it and you type for something. For example, I'm going for the movie Titanic, but likewise you can search any movie, or maybe you have searched something, it will appear here. So here if I just get back and I click here, as you can see, this is said Titanic. You can also delete it here, but you have searched a lot of things, so it really get hard to delete everything one by one. So for that, what you have to do is that you have to click on your profile icon. This one, as you can see, this is your profile icon. Just simply click on it and you will land into this page. Once you land into this page, you have to click on this settings icon, as you can see. Once you get here, first you will read the title of settings and you will find all these options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own tasks in the app. So from all these options, what you have to do here is that you have to click on this option which says clear video search history, this one. Once you click on it, it will ask you if you want to clear search history or not. So as we are here to delete or release the search history, so we have to click on this option which says yes. Once you click on it, it will notify you at the bottom that the search history of your account has been deleted. So now we will get back into this find option and we'll click onto this option, and here you can see we just searched for Titanic and now our search history just disappeared. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can clear your video search history on Prime Video. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.